Welcome to the city of Vejle. Vejle is a city with a lot of beautiful architecture and art, including the Wave, which is apartments in a Wave building from 2010. Vejle is the most pleasant shopping town in Denmark. At Vejle Musikteater, you can witness some of the best comedy concerts, musicals and theater.
Girls' Grave is a hill which is 22 meters in diameter and 4 meters in height. There is a museum on the spot. The Ekblad Girls is one of the best known persons from the antiquity. She was buried in the year of 1370 before Christus in a coffin made of oak and was found in 1921, almost 3,500 years later. If you want a fascinating historical experience, visit the Ekblad Girls' grave.
Nicolaum gives you an insight into how CO2 changed the world and many other wild experiences. Take your family with you and come to Nicolaum if you want to get knowledge about the nature, environment, climate, diets, health, innovation and much more in a fun way. Take your children with you and visit.
You can go to Legoland and experience their newly releases and look at the mini-city and try out the exciting environments. Legoland has 42 exciting environments, 5 shops and 12 different restaurants and bars. Legoland have their own hotel called Hotel Legoland. So if you want a great and exciting experience with your family, then come and visit Legoland.